Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Gingerbread House Kit is probably one of the most delightful and festive ways to bring a touch of holiday magic into your home, offering a fun and creative activity for families and friends alike. This pack of 4 kits provides ample opportunity for everyone to participate, whether you're a seasoned decorator or a complete beginner, ensuring that the joy of building and decorating these sweet structures is shared among multiple people. Imagine the smiles and laughter as you assemble and adorn these edible masterpieces, creating cherished memories that will last long after the last crumb is gone. Number 5. LEGO Creator Expert Gingerbread House 10267. Gather the family and build fun memories with this delightful brick gingerbread house. It makes a festive holiday centerpiece that kids of all ages will love. Build a gingerbread house with frosted roofs, colorful candy buttons, and candy cane columns. It features glittery windows and a tall chimney stack with a glowing fire. This set includes sweet gingerbread man, woman, and baby figures. You'll also find candy furniture, a baby carriage, a holiday tree with decorations, and more. This is a set that the whole family will love. It also offers a fun building challenge for ages 16 and up. This amazing creation measures over 8 inches high, 10 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. It's a perfect display piece for the holidays. What we like? If you're looking for a truly immersive and detailed building experience, this is the one. It offers a challenging yet rewarding build with charming gingerbread figures and even a glowing fireplace. This is perfect for adult LEGO enthusiasts or families with older teens who enjoy intricate sets. What people say. This is one of the most beautiful kits LEGO has produced to date. Whimsical and wonderful don't begin to describe this lovely kit. It has lots of parts and is quite intricate and detailed. The house has 2 stories. The first floor has a kitchen and living room. The second floor has a bathroom and a bedroom with a bed and a crib. There are very detailed instructions that take you step by step. It's easy enough for someone that has never had the LEGO experience but challenging enough to keep you interested. Number 4. LEGO Creator Expert Bookshop 10270. Step into a world of creativity with this advanced LEGO Creator Expert modular building set. It's a bookshop and townhouse combo, filled with delightful details for builders of all ages. This impressive 3-story model boasts a display window, bookshelves, a cozy reading nook, and living spaces. It's designed for collectors who appreciate intricate details and a rewarding building experience. This set is a proud member of the Modular Building series. Expand your collection and create stunning street scenes by combining it with other sets from this beloved series. With 2,504 pieces, this advanced building set is an ideal gift for anyone aged 16 and up. Surprise them with an inspirational present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Standing over 11 inches tall, this buildable model is a showstopper on its own. It also integrates beautifully into larger street scenes, making it a versatile display piece. What we like? If you appreciate architectural detail and enjoy collecting modular buildings, this set is a must-have. Its intricate design, multiple stories, and display-worthy features make it an excellent addition to any LEGO street scene. This is ideal for adult collectors and builders who value display aesthetics. What people say. The build is split into 2 separate buildings, the charming Birch Books bookshop and a stylish townhouse, both filled with intricate details and clever building techniques. The color palette is stunning, with sand green, dark orange, and nougat tones making the structures feel warm and inviting. It looks fantastic on display, seamlessly integrates with other modular buildings, and provides an incredibly satisfying building experience. Number 3. Create a Treat OREO and Sour Patch Kids Holiday Cookie House Kits. Get ready for a festive decorating adventure. This holiday season, bring your sweet dreams to life with our exciting cookie house kits. We've combined the classic taste of OREO with the tangy fun of Sour Patch Kids. It's a flavor combination that's sure to delight everyone. Inside, you'll find everything needed to build and decorate. From delicious cookies to sweet icing and fun candies, your imagination is the only limit. Gather your loved ones for a memorable activity. These kits are perfect for creating lasting holiday memories together. Share the joy of the holidays with these delightful decorating kits. They make a wonderful gift or a fun centerpiece for your celebrations. The fun doesn't stop at decorating. Once your masterpiece is complete, you can enjoy the delicious results. It's a treat for the eyes and the taste buds. What we like. If you want a fun and easy decorating experience with popular candy flavors, this kit is a great choice. It combines two beloved brands for a unique twist on a classic holiday activity. This is perfect for families with younger children or anyone who loves OREO and Sour Patch Kids. What people say. I love the two very different themes and they came with everything you'll need. Super sturdy, I was able to pack them up and save for next year. The cookie wasn't bad either after you dunked it in some milk, but it wasn't stale by any means. The houses stayed together, but I could have used some more icing. A little bigger than I thought, which is good. The contents are fresh, so they taste great. Number 2. Wilton Build-It-Yourself Mini Village Gingerbread Decorating Kit. Gather your loved ones for a delightful afternoon of gingerbread decorating. It's a perfect way to create lasting memories together. This kit comes with everything you need to build and decorate 4 charming gingerbread houses. No need to search for extra supplies. The panels are ready to assemble, making the building process straightforward and enjoyable for everyone. Let the creativity begin. Unleash your inner artist with included candies, fondant, and ready-to-use icing. You'll have all the tools to make each house unique. Once assembled, these delightful houses stand between 3.25 and 4 inches tall. They're the perfect size for display or a sweet treat. Please be aware that this product contains wheat. It is made on equipment that also processes egg, milk, soy, and tree nuts. What we like. If you're planning a group activity or want multiple small projects, this kit is ideal. It provides everything needed to build and decorate 4 individual mini gingerbread houses. This is perfect for parties, classroom activities, or when you want to share the decorating fun with several people. What people say. The pieces are pre-cut and ready to assemble, making it very convenient. Includes everything you need, like icing mix and candies, for a complete decorating experience. The houses are a good size for individual or small group decorating activities. Number 1. Fovths 4 Sets Clay Gingerbread House Kit with Lights. Get ready to build your dream Christmas village. This kit provides everything you need for a fun and festive crafting experience. Inside, you'll find multiple house kits, colorful clay, decorations, and even light strings to bring your creations to life. All accessories are thoughtfully included for your convenience. With a variety of Christmas-themed clay and accessories like artificial snow and glitter glue, you can craft unique decorations and scenes. Let your imagination run wild and create a truly festive atmosphere. These kits are designed for easy DIY assembly with clear instructions, helping to enhance hands-on skills and creativity. It's a wonderful activity for families and individuals alike. Crafted from high-quality, safe, and vibrant materials, these houses are built to last. The sturdy cardboard and non-fading stickers ensure your decorations will shine throughout the holidays. Use them as fun party favors, engaging craft activities, or charming decorations for your home, office, or store. They are sure to spread Christmas cheer wherever they go. What we like. If you're looking for a creative and hands-on craft experience that goes beyond traditional gingerbread, consider this clay kit. It offers a unique building material and a wide array of accessories, including lights, to create a festive scene. This is great for those who enjoy DIY crafts and want a long-lasting decoration. What people say. It had so much supplies with it. Easy to put the houses together and hours of fun. Lots of supplies to choose from to allow for individuals' creativity. Houses were very cute and so much fun to build. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.